Today, we're about to do the windshield wiper blades on this Nissan Rogue 2011. Just the blades, shit easy. And also, I'm gonna throw in the air filter because I'm doing that too. So might as well just throw that in there. Easy, both easy. Easy, save some money. Let's do this. Let's inspect the wipers. This one's bad. Look at this. If it start doing this, you see this? Look at that. Definitely bad. You could fail inspection with this rip like that. Look at that. It's not even on there. No more rubber. No rubber on that one. Let's check the other one. Okay. I don't know if you could see. This thing is all bad too. Look. Ripped. Cracked. Let's put it like this. Okay. You could tell that is, you could tell it's ripped. Look at that. Look at that shit. See that shit? The rest is good. Look at this. Came off. This is what happens if you don't change these. Look at that. Ripped off. No good. You could tell the other one, same thing. Look. Look at that. Ripped off. Look at this one. No good. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You're not supposed to do that. Alright. Let's put the new one on. Let's put the new one on. This is it right here. For this car, this is 26 on the driver's side and 14 on the passenger. Alright, let me show you how to do that. Easy, 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 easy peasy. Just see this right here. This thing right here, you have to pull back on it like that. Soon you pull back, you gotta push down. Pull this shit back right here. And push down. It should come off of here. Easy. Easy as that. Now, as soon as it's down, put it through there, put it through the hole. Like that. Installing it is easier. You see this right here? Hole. Let's put it right inside there. So you would go back like this in it, and push up till it click. Heard that? Click. Let's do the other side. Same thing for the other side. You pull back on this right here and pull down. Pull down. Like that. Just pop off. Garbage. Let's do a compare. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Let's look at this again. See? And it's rusted. Look. Who knows how long this wasn't changed? Look. Rusty. Like a couple years. They said since they first got the car, they never changed this. So lucky I looked. And yeah, you see that? Look. Compared to the new one. Fresh. Look at that. Fresh. Alright, let's put this on. Easy. Make sure it's faced this way. This thing is, look. You see this? Make sure that is down. This thing is down. And you just put it right in there. Like that. Like a hook. You see how the hook? Look at the hook. Like that. So you would put like this. And push up. Push up till it clicks. Snap, clicks, whatever you want to. Just like that. Bam. That's it. That is it. That is all. That is all. Now you got some fresh ones for a couple years or whatever until they wear out. For those who don't know how to change the air filter in this car, easy. It's right here. Bam. It's the new one. You just pop this out. Pop this up. There's two sides to this shit. Should pop it. Okay. Just like that. Bam. You just pull it up. You see how dirty this is right here. Mad dirty. Mad dirty. Compared to this one. Alright, now. New one. Make sure it's face down. Just like this. Slap the new one right on top. Just like this. And make sure when you put it in, these two, you could call these ears, or whatever you want to call them, face down. That way going inwards, like this. Bam. See? Like this. Alright? Let's put that in there. Should sit in there good, just like that. Okay, now you just put this on, put this back. Make sure it's faced this way. You see how it is? See how I have my claws? My claws is going down, just like that, right behind there. Push the filter forward. Make sure it goes inside these tabs, inside there, so, and push down. Okay. Alright, that was it. Told you it was easy. Just 1, 2, 3 of your time, the filter and the blade. So, if you have any questions, you already know, comment below. Add me on Instagram, Choose Mechanics. Till next time, don't forget to like and subscribe.